Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my makeup review series. Today I'm going to be trying out one of the products I got in Ipsy recently. This is from Basic Beauty and it's the setting powder in translucent. So this is cruelty free and I use a setting powder every day to definitely set my under eye concealer, but also tone down any shine in my skin, get a blurring effect over the large pores that I have. So I'm excited to put this to the test. Right before hitting record, I did apply my under eye concealer, which is starting to crease. So that's where I'm going to start right away with this powder, is seeing how this is on my under eyes. The packaging on this powder is very cute. Let's see, when it comes to a setting powder, I like to be able to just take the whole filter piece off. Let's see if I can do that. This full one doesn't come off very easily, and it really only has 4 little holes for the powder to come out of. So it's cute packaging, but not my favorite functioning. But it does have a pink color to it, which is a little different for what I'm used to with a translucent powder. And so I made a mess of what I could, tapped off some into the top here, and I'm going to use my velvety powder puff here that I love to apply my powders with. And so I'm just going to blend out the creasing on my under eye, and let's see how this does. I do like how brightening that pink color is to this powder. Seems nice for the under eyes. See that brightening effect that it has with it versus without it? And the texture is going on very nice, finely milled. It's not looking visibly powdery. I'm doing the same thing now for the other eye. And I really like how this is looking. I'm loving how brightening it is, how smooth. So we'll give this a little bit of time and see if it really does prevent creasing, which I hope it does because it is not drying, not cakey. It's exactly the texture and the brightness that I would want for an under eye powder. And so now while I give this a little bit of time on my under eyes, I'm going to go ahead and with a fluffy brush, dip it into the powder here and just blend it all over the skin to set my foundation. And here, I'll just apply it to half of my face to start because I definitely had a bit of shine going on that I wanted to tone down. And it does apply very nicely with the brush as well. But it has such a beautiful brightening effect that I feel like it gives glow to the skin, which looks so nice. Yeah, I really like that. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the other side of my face. It blends out nicely. And here is what my finished complexion is looking like, and I'm loving it. As difficult as it was to get the powder out, I really like this formula. I really like this color. So I am willing to get past the packaging because the finished look here is so nice. It's radiant, it's undetectable powder. Let's see now for these under eyes. Oh, perfect. No creasing, but it also is not drying. It just looks like skin, but brighter, better. I feel like I cannot stop looking in the viewfinder here because my skin just looks so good, radiant, brightened, and it feels so comfortable as well. It doesn't feel like there's a drying powder. So wow, I am so impressed by this. It was hard to find information on this online. The reviews that I saw were not great, but I think this is awesome. So if you have tried it out, definitely let us know in the comments down below what you think of it, how it worked for you, what are your favorite ways to apply it. I think this applies really great whether you like to apply it with a brush. The powder puff was awesome. So I'm very excited to have this in my collection and to continue using it. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.